Hey guys, so there's this game called, I think it's an old one on the PS2, but there's a huge community for doing mods on this. It's a rally racing. It's called Richard Burns Rally. Apparently, it's rated as the best simulator of all rally games, even compared to the newer ones like WRC and like Dirt. But a lot of these tracks are custom, so I just got it to work. I'm gonna show you how it holds up, even on a potato PC. So it just crashed. I'm gonna start up. Got both my fans working. It's nice how it shows you the track right before, because in game it doesn't show you the track. Not that good. I'm just practicing, but it works on the G Pro using the 923 settings. But yeah, you flip over, crash, you're done. Basically, this is actually sim. I have the power down to half. But yeah, you can tell. I'm still gonna take the tutorial, but it works. So I'm gonna crash already. That higher pin is hard.
Easy right, go straight. Flat left. Easy right, long, 30.
So I'm gonna crash.
Flat
See how far I can get.
Easy left, easy right. Easy left into over crest. Easy right. Medium left, long.
I'm gonna lose it. They really stress driving slow in this game, but you can tell the car's gonna lose control. Like almost every turn. Right here. Oh, okay. Car's still running. Let's go.
Medium left, 70.
Yeah, once you hit a tree, you're done.
Flat right, 70. Flat left into over crest. Easy right, 70. Key left, 100.
Those hairpins are hard.
Flat left. Fast left, 50. Flat left. Easy right, keep left. Fast right, 50. Flat right. Jump.
Right now, my
30,
throttle's
easy left,
between
100.
60 and 80%. I'm not going full speed at all in any of these turns. It's too much. I'm just getting used to the car.
30. Flat left. Fast right, 30. Easy left, 70.
You can see on my left
Easy right.
throttle going up and
Easy
down.
left into over crest. 30. Flat left
Fifth
into
right now.
over crest. 30. Easy right. Keep middle into over crest. Easy left. Key right. Flat left. Flat right.
Oh,
into
yeah.
over crest.
Oh, I'm gonna die. I think I'm already. Oh, still running. Still running. Oh, go over there.
Flat left.
Alright, let's go.
Flat right into over crest. 100. Flat left. Fast right. Easy left. Medium right. 70. Fast right. Fast left. 50. Bridge.
I'm at about 75% right now.
Over crest. 30. Flat left. 50. Easy left. Easy right. Long. Easy left. 50.
That's a hard one. That's a hard one.
Fast right, fast left, long. Easy right, 30. Over crest, 30. Easy right, fast left, 70. Key left. Easy right. Fast left, 70. Easy right. Fast left. Fast right. Easy left. Medium right.
Whew.
Finish.
Stop. Okay, there you go. Okay. Whew. All right, that's it, guys. Oh, man.